Hi guys, so me and my friends plan to go for a camp last weekend after work. Nga pala, taga-Oriental Mindoro kami and our origin point here is in Calapan City. At that moment, we're still waiting for the other one na kasama namin. So, bit muna tayo sa camera. Hi! After waiting for some time, unfortunately, our friend wasn't able to join us. So, nag-usap na kami ng kasama ko and decided not to proceed to our long ride since it's getting late for us na din to get to our destination. While on the road, we decided na mag-drive-thru na lang sa Jollibee Pinamalayan for our dinner. Since mahaba-haba na din ang aming naging biyahe at super gutom na din talaga kami. See how happy I am when I receive my order. Afterwards, we dropped by at the Plaza ng Bansud to eat our dinner. But of course, before that, syempre we took a lot of photos and videos na din para may pang-upload kami dito sa TikTok. Nagpakuha na nga din pala dyan ng picture sa akin yung dalawa namin kasama na couple. Then after that, nung napagod na kami, kumain na din kami. Sobrang quickie lang guys. Kasi it will take another hour na naman bago namin marating yung pinaka-destination namin. So, konting pag-cute and then arangkada na naman kami. So finally arrived at our camping location. Welcome to Mahalta Glamping. It is located in Mansalay, Oriental Mindoro. Nga pala guys, we availed 2 tents together with a bonfire package. Pagkarating nga, chinek agad namin yung aming tents, kung ano yung itsura niya, kung anong itsura sa loob, at pinasok na din namin yung aming mga gamit. So far all is well and the price is very affordable naman. Actually, it is my first time to go for a camp like this together with my friends. And totoo pala na it will bring you some peace of mind. And lots of realizations came into my mind. Like, oo nga, huwag tayo masyadong maging kuripot sa ating mga sarili. So ayan, nag-ihaw din nga pala kami ng marshmallow dyan. Pero sobrang nahirapan kami nung una kasi sobrang lakas ng apoy. So, ang ginawa namin, inantay na lang namin siyang humupa. Nag-chill lang muna kami, nagkantahan, nagtawanan, nagkwentuhan. And yun, afterwards, nung humupa na, nagkanya-kanya na kami ng ihaw ng marshmallow. So, kanya-kanya na ulit kami pag-video. Sobrang dami kong nakain dito marshmallow at ang bigat niya din pala sa tiyan. Sarap kasi. And yes, the rest of the night was so awesome. Lots of chikahan, konting alak, and lots of marshmallow. Yun lang. Bye!